Hello everyone! The other day I received a mystery package in the mail from RC Everyday. Those of you who are unfamiliar with the RC Everyday YouTube channel, Joshua builds some of the coolest looking rat rods, crawlers, and all kinds of amazing custom build RC vehicles. He regularly posts great videos and I highly recommend you check out his channel. So needless to say, when he sent me a package, I was excited to see what was inside. I literally have no idea what's inside. No hints, no clues, no nothing. Not too heavy. Pretty large box. So just gonna open it up, see what's inside. The suspense, it's building. Place your bets now. Oh man. Oh man. No way. This is a re-release kit of the Tamiya Grasshopper 2, which is a two-wheel drive off-road buggy originally released in 1988. I've never driven or built a car like this, so this should definitely be interesting. These old school RC kits are something I've always thought were cool, but have never taken the plunge and actually built one. Alright, let's get in, have a little closer look at it. To Make It RC, Vintage Buggy Racing at USTE 2021. I didn't bring mine this year and regretted it. After watching your video, I felt like you would enjoy it too. So here is some Tamiya. See you next year, RC Everyday. Josh, thank you so much. So let's take a look at everything that's inside. Oh, nice. Little look at some of his work. Go subscribe, guys, go subscribe. So if you watched my previous video I made about the Ultimate Scale Truck Expo, you'll know that they host vintage buggy racing for pre-1989 vehicles, with re-releases like this being permitted. Needless to say, I'll be getting this kit built and ready to race for next year's Ultimate Scale Truck Expo. I'll give you all a quick look at all the parts that are included with this kit. I've always had some nostalgia for Tamiya, as my first few hobby grade vehicles were all Tamiya products. I really like the illustrations and simple design. I'm looking forward to getting this put together, though I still need to decide on a livery for it. I can't decide whether I should go with something simple and classic like the box art, or go with some obnoxious late 80s, early 90s graphics. Either way, it'll be an awesome build. A huge thanks to Joshua, aka RC Everyday, for sending this kit. I'll be sure to put a link to the channel below in the description. I hope you all go over and check out his videos. Since I just mentioned the Ultimate Scale Truck Expo earlier in this video, I thought I might as well share some plans for next year's USTE, which will be held in late February 2021. Obviously I'll have the Grasshopper 2 up and running by then. I've got almost a full year to build it and dial it in, and it's also a very straightforward kit build, not requiring any custom building or design work, so I'll definitely want to have that ready to go for the vintage buggy races. One project that is requiring a lot of custom building and design work is the West-made Datsun 510 build. I really want to have that car on display at USTE 2021. I've got some parts and I've got a plan, and thanks to some recent events slowing things down here at the shop, I've got time. This body was hand-built by another awesome builder and YouTube content creator, Wes Braswell, aka Westmade. I'll be sure to put a link to the unboxing video I made a while back of this body. The quality and detail is amazing, as you can see, and I'm hoping this chassis and interior I'm making will do it justice. I've got a ton of custom parts designed and printed for the MST CMX Ford Bronco that I'll be installing at some point. It's an awesome truck to drive, and I'm looking forward to really improving the scale appearance. I've also got a very scale 1/24 scale 4x4 build and a fully 3D printed chassis in the works for the Scale 3D RC bodies. But aside from a few social media posts, I won't be posting any videos or showing much of those projects until they are closer to completion. With the other projects I mentioned earlier, I'm not sure if I'll have time to complete these by USTE 2021, but we'll see. Both have been going well so far. That's going to be all for this video. Thank you all very much for watching, and be sure to go check out the RC Everyday channel linked below, and also let me know what paint or decal designs you think I should go with on the Grasshopper 2. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.